शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बच्चों, हमारा हिस्ट्री का जो आखिरी मौजू चल रहा है, जो हमारा आखिरी टॉपिक चल रहा है, वो है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एर्सवाइल जम्मू एंड कश्मीर स्टेट एंड डोगरा। कल हमने इसके 5 सवालात हल किए। वो थे मैच द फॉलोइंग, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स और स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स। आज हम इसके और बाकी सवालात हल करने जा रहे हैं। जो इसका आज का हमारा जो पहला सवाल है वो है डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ महाराजा रणबीर सिंह इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन। इसका आंसर, पहला पॉइंट जो है इसका वो है महाराजा रणबीर सिंह गेव स्पेशल अटेंशन टू eradication illiteracy from the state. He himself was a Persian scholar and encouraged religious education through the study of Persian, Arabic and Sanskrit. दूसरा पॉइंट है many new educational institutions were established such as Raghunath Temple, Pathshala, a library and a महाविद्यालय। तीसरा जो पॉइंट था है वो है द डोगरा कोर्ट पैट्रोनाइज्ड ऑल लैंग्वेजेस एंड ड्यू टू महाराजाज पैशन ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग नॉलेज रणबीर प्रेस वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1882. इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द फर्स्ट प्रेस इन द स्टेट। चौथा पॉइंट है महाराजा रणबीर सिंह believed that education should be provided to all, and that is why he founded many state-funded institutions. आज का दूसरा क्वेश्चन, briefly describe the steps taken by Maharaja Hari Singh to ameliorate the position of women in the state. इसका जवाब है there prevail many evils in society which were associated with females, such as practice of sati, child marriage, prohibition of widow remarriage, female infanticide, and immoral trafficking. That is why Maharaja Hari Singh took certain steps to eradicate these practices and raise the position of women, and these steps were, पहला क्या है महाराजा passed infant marriage prevention regulation in 1928 AD. दूसरा, a trust called Dhan Devi Memorial Trust was made which provided financial help to the girls at the time of their marriage from Dhan Devi Kanya Fund. तीसरा, Widow Remarriage Act and Property Regulation was passed in 1931. This law allowed widow to remarry and live their lives according to their wish. तीसरा, write a short note on the cultural development in Jammu during the Dogra period with special reference to theatre and dramas. इसका आंसर है during 19th and 20th centuries many folk theatres were quite active in Jammu region such as Haran, Bhaktiyan, Tamashra etc. In the same way, Bhan were the traditional folk entertainers of Kashmir. Few other effective oral in the name of Bhan were the traditional folk entertainer of Kashmir. Few other effective oral story telling traditions such as Dastan Goi, Ladisha, etc. were quite important in telling past events in a simple manner. They both not only entertained people but also raised people's voice a in a satirical manner. They helped common people understand present situations and remained important for the socio cultural and political life of the region. आज का चौथा क्वेश्चन, highlights the major public welfare works undertaken during the Dogra period in Jammu and Kashmir. पहला जो पॉइंट इसका है आंसर में वो है, आफ्टर 1886 municipalities were set up in the capital towns of J&K to initiate development programs in their areas. दूसरा पॉइंट है, many roads were constructed for the smooth movement of trade and commerce such as Jahlim Valley Cart Road, Gilgit Road, Banihal Cart Road and Ladakh Road. Railway line was also laid between Jammu and Sialkot. Number third point, many irrigation projects were initiated to save the state from frequent famines. Martin Canal, Basantpur Canal, Pratap Canal and Upper Jahlim Canal were opened up. Ranbir Canal was opened up for irrigation purposes in Jammu region. Hydroelectric power plants were also set up. चौथा पॉइंट है, citrus was also given to modern medical facilities. Drogjan Hospital was opened up in the same way SMGS in Jammu and SMHS was opened in Srinagar to boost medical facilities. बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज के टॉपिक के सवालात. इसके साथ ही हमारे हिस्ट्री का 100% सिलेबस ख़त्म हुआ. इंशाल्लाह कल में जोग्राफिया, अब हम जोग्राफिया के कुछ और चैप्टर रह गए हैं, वो इंशाल्लाह उनके वो समझेंगे और उनके सवालात हल करेंगे. तब तक के लिए खुदा.